Hello everyone, I'm Sam with JBugs.com, and I'm here with a bunch of parts that we've assembled for our on-the-road kit. It includes either a 30-picked or a 34-picked carburetor. Whether you've got a single or dual port engine, our on-the-road kit has got you covered. Fuel hose, fuel filter, and clamps. Your choice of a 12-volt coil from either Bosch or Beru in silver or blue. Our JBugs premium spark plug wires, as well as a set of our JBugs Spark Plugs. Now we'll note that our JBugs Spark Plugs include a resistor cap that's threaded on. The resistor cap does have to be removed to be installed with our JBugs premium wires, which have OEM style spark plug ends. Now the standard kit again includes a carburetor, fuel hose, fuel filter, and clamps, a 12-volt coil, our JBugs premium spark plug wires, and a set of our JBugs Spark Plugs. However, we do offer multiple options, including standard tune-up kit, which includes a cap, rotor, points, and condenser. You can upgrade that with an electronic ignition kit, or if you prefer, you can swap out to a SVDA or a 009 style distributor. I of course recommend the SVDA whenever you're using a 34-pick 3 carburetor. However, if you do have a single port carburetor, these don't pull enough vacuum, so in which case I would recommend the 009 distributor. Our on-the-road kit is available with other options such as adding an air cleaner, a dual port intake manifold boots, or even a fuel pump. Whether you're just looking to get your Volkswagen that's been sitting for a couple years in the garage back on the road, or been working on a car that's been sitting for 20 plus years, like the 72 Super Beetle that my son just got working, and actually did need a new carburetor, fuel hose, and filter, and certainly could have benefited from some tune-up items. Our on-the-road kit should help get your Volkswagen back on the road.